wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids! From A to Z, from East to West, I'm Hannah! And welcome back to Dream Again. Today, kids, we are going to learn about opposites. So, we're not going to waste any time, and we're going to get started right away with the help of Olivia.
So today's book is Olivia and Noah's Book of Opposites! Yay! Okay. Hello today, Olivia and Noah. Are you learning about opposites? Do you know the opposite of hello? That's right. The opposite of hello is goodbye. Oh, did you know that? Yeah. Shh. I know you guys are all very excited, but shh, we are in a library now. Okay, shh. When Noah goes to the library, he must be very quiet. Yes, because people are reading, and you need quiet to read. But Olivia comes in and says, "Do you know the opposite of quiet?" "Shh," says Noah. "I do know the opposite of quiet, but shh, we are in a library. You should be very quiet." "Yes," says Olivia, "but I'm really excited to tell you the opposite of quiet is loud." Oh no! Outside it's starting to rain, but Noah has an umbrella to stay dry. Oh, that was very smart of you to bring an umbrella, Noah. Very, very clever. Do you know the opposite of dry? Do you? Do you, Noah? No? Elmo? Peppa? Any? No? Oh, maybe? I think you guys do and just aren't saying.
What?
Yep, wet. You're right. The opposite of dry is wet. Olivia likes to run. She can run very, very fast. Noah also likes to run. He can run very, very, very fast too. And then Noah is chasing Olivia and they are running in a race. Run. But after they finish their race, they are both very tired. And now they go slow. So, slow is the opposite of fast. Very nice. Wow, what a busy day everyone had. Do you know the opposite of day? Good job! The opposite of day is night. Yes! Olivia and Noah are getting ready for bed. Wow. Yeah, there are so many things they have to do before they go to bed. They have to brush their teeth and pick up their room and do all that stuff. Yeah, it's very, very much. Wow. While they are laying in bed, they think to themselves of all the opposites they have learned. We have learned quick and slow. We have learned hello and goodbye. Do you know any of them? Anyone? Peppa? Peppa says we learned dry and wet. And Mickey says slow and fast. Yes. Then they try to think of new opposites. They think and remember right. What is the opposite of right? If you do something right or correct. Yep, correct. What is the opposite of correct? The opposite of correct is wrong. That's right. Some things, when we put an answer on a test, we get it right. And sometimes when we put an answer on a test, we get it wrong. But that's okay. What's the opposite of small? Does anyone else know? Anyone? Yeah? Do you want to tell us, Noah, what the opposite of small is?
Tall.
Tall, yeah. Or also big. Big can be the opposite of small. And another word for the opposite of tall could be When someone is very, very
Tiny.
tiny. Yep, tiny. Or short. Yep. That's another one, huh? If you look up in the sky and you see all the stars where the moon and the sun are, then what's the opposite of up?
Down.
Down. Yep, that's right. Yeah. Do you also know you have one left hand and the opposite of left is?
Right.
Right. Correct. You have a right hand and a left hand. Noah walked out on the street and he was going forward, but Olivia decided she would turn around and walk backwards. And Noah said, "Hey, backwards is the opposite of forwards." And he was right. That's true. What else? There's also the front of us and the back of us. There are so many opposites. It's amazing how many things you can learn about opposites.
Kids, did you catch all the opposites that Olivia told us about? Let's try to review them. So, we have big, which is the opposite of little. Exactly. Then we have tall, which is the opposite of short. And then when we are cold, the opposite would be hot. Yes, you got it. So, when I walk in the rain, I'm wet. And when I use a hair blower, my hair is dry. Yay! I have a glass that is empty. When I add some milk, then the glass is full. When I walk in the park, I am slow. When I run, I am fast. A bear is a fat animal, while a cheetah is a thin animal. And when I'm at the front of the line, I am first. And when I'm all the way in the back, I am last. When I look at my desk, this is the top. The other side is the bottom. In the summer, I love going to the playground and going outside. And when it's cold, I prefer staying inside. Wow, those are a lot of opposites. As an exercise, why don't you go exploring and find the opposites in your garden or in your house? There's another game we can play that's about opposites. Go fish! Let's check in with Noah and Olivia as they will teach us how that game works.
Fish! Go fish! Kids, do you know the go fish game? No? You don't?
You don't? Wow.
We're going to teach you how to do it.
It's really fun and really easy, huh?
It is.
Yeah.
Basically, you collect not pairs, but 4 cards that are all the same. Meaning 4 tens, or 4 sevens, or 4 fives, or even 4 fours.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah.
And when you have that, you basically put those aside and count them at the end.
Yep, and they are yours.
But how do you get 4 of the same kind? Do you know?
Maybe you say please and thank you.
No, that doesn't work.
That's
No,
funny.
no. What the way we do it is basically I will ask you,
Okay.
Olivia,
Yeah.
do you have tens?
And then I will say please. That was funny, I'm sorry. Then, if I have any tens, I will say yes.
And I take them all.
Yep. And I have to be honest.
Yes, all of
But-
the 10s basically that Olivia has, she has to give them to me.
All of them.
And then if I have a whole set of 4 of 10s, I put them out.
Yep. But
If I don't,
then you have to keep them.
then I have to keep
in his
them.
hand. And I can ask for them back later when I get it.
Exactly.
But
But
if he says, do you have 4 10s? And I don't, then I get to say, go fish!
no!
Go fish!
And then I have to draw a card from the pile,
Yep.
from our deck.
Yep.
And then that card comes into my set of
Uh-huh.
cards, and then it's your turn.
And then it's my turn, and then I get to ask for a card, and the whole thing happens over again.
Exactly. So whoever has the most pairs at the end of the game, they win.
Yep, that's absolutely true.
Okay.
Good job.
So
So, go
we
fish!
shuffle, and then I'll shuffle, and then we can play.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Shuffle, and you pass out the cards.
Okay. Let's play.
Cool, thank you.
Yeah.
Well, kids, now we've learned a lot about opposites today. So, at the beginning of the show, I said hi. And the opposite of hi is goodbye. And that means it's time for me to say bye-bye. I wish you a wonderful day. Bye.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and like us. Thanks!